Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 11th, 2020. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? The fifth Sudoku. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always a 4 ones and 4 O's in a row and in a column. Alright, so let's get started. We have here a double 1, here no, there no. I see here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. I see here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then let me see, between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then double O, here and 1, there 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Then I need to compare, I think. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now I have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then double O, here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Oh! Mistake. Oh. This is a mistake. I have made a mistake. The first mistake in my binary puzzle. That is strange. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to... Where did I make the mistake? Let me start again. This O is correct. Double 1. Between 2 O's comes an O. Correct. These two. Double 1. Here no. There no. Then double O. Here 1. There 1. Correct. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Correct. Okay. Then double 1 here and O, there no. Correct. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Correct. Double O, here and 1. Where did I make the mistake? 1. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, so this must be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Okay. Where is that mistake? Between two ones comes an O. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double 1. Here no, there no. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I made the mistake. O, O, O. So here an O or there an O. Yes. Between two O's comes an 1. Correct. 1, 2, 3. I cannot place the fourth here, otherwise we have 3 O's. So this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And then this should be an O, okay. There I made the mistake. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So I have 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay. So double 1. Here an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be an O. Yes, this is the mistake. So we'll double O. This should be in 1. Here and 1. Then 1 double O. Yes. This is the mistake. Okay, then the question here. 001, is this correct? This is an O. Okay. 1, 3. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, an O, there no. Correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. And then double O here, 1, there 1. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Correct. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 O's. The question is, are these correct? Double O here, 1 there 1. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Correct. We have here 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. 4 ones. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes. No. Double O. How about? Yeah. I need to compare with this one and that one. We have the empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Oh no, this is different. So I cannot compare with this one. I need to compare with the other one. Let me think. We have here double 1, so I can compare with. No, I cannot compare with this one. Let me compare. 010. Do we have a 010? 010. 110. Yeah. This row and the last row. Empty box O. 11000111100. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Finished in 10 minutes. Woo! This one I've made a mistake. So yeah. If you cannot double check it with this one, then you need to start whole again over. So yeah, 10 minutes could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic. So see you later. Bye bye for now.